Hi everyone and welcome back to another jammer. So today we have a small one, but let's see first the price and if it can jam, because as you remember currently in the last episode we had one jammer that wasn't really a jammer. So let's go first to our friends on AliExpress. This is the jammer. It was 1869. I got the version for 2.4, but there is also a version available for 5.2 and 5.8. And of course, if you need any other frequency like 433, which is in general the one for parking lots or such. Okay, going back to this one, 2.4. We have we don't really need to see the video from the seller. So yeah, there are a lot of versions available. They are quite cheap. It's using of course 5 volts because it's powered by USB. And yeah, let's open it up. This is the package. This is how it arrived. Nothing fancy as usual. I would go for at least a cardboard. But oh well. We have an adapter, which is nice. Of course, if this one has the pin inside, I guess this one will be with the mother SME. Come on, focus. Yep. Okay. Let's see. It's, I would say, the same as thumb drive. Let me do a comparison. So for example, it's the same size. See? So we will build a nice case for it after the introduction and seeing if it's working. Sorry. So let's go closer a bit. And we have the same, is it the same buffer? I can't really read it because it's a bit dirty. Let's see, focus, come on. 232508, yeah, it's 2.4. It's a simple design. Everything looks soldered. I saw some reviews on these that things are not soldered as they should be. Be aware, especially on the buffer, because it might be the case that it's not soldered properly, so it won't work. But in this case, it should. Let's see. We will need an antenna. This is the only one that I have now that has the pin. Okay. It doesn't want to focus. Okay, it wants. Let's plug the antenna. Cool. A sip of coffee. And now, let's see, we are connected to 2.4, as you can see now on the screen. Let's get a power bank, because if it's portable, let's make it portable. So let's see first with 1 amp, should be enough. And it should connect this way. So let's do it this way. So you can see the flashes. Ah, great. The green one as usual. Da, da, da. I still have a connection. I still have... No, connection is out. You see? So it works. Beautiful. I'm not sure about the range. Might be that it's... Let's see. Let me unplug it. so we can check. But cool, it works. This is the main thing that we should check first, so we know if we can continue or not. In this case, it works. Let's see, bring my internet back, please. No, yes, please, no, please, yes. Oh my god, that's so boring. What did we do before the internet was here? Okay, now we have connection. Let's check if it, I would bet it's maybe a 1 watt amplifier, but let's see. If it's 2 watts, it's better. But so it can use an amplifier, of course. Interesting. So it has an amplifier built in, that's why it works without the amplifier, but it also can be connected to an external one, which means it will be more powerful, and the current draw is small enough. I didn't measure it, but I guess it's pretty small. Specification, let's see, view more. Nothing. Description. La 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 la. If you don't know how to use it, please refer to all advertising videos and wiring, very clear about the function. Thank you. We have a parameter here. So it should be 20 dBms. Okay, okay. And it goes lower to 10 dB for 5.8 and 4.1 dB to 5.2, but this is not bad at all. It's better than the first one that I had, which was also powered by 5 volts, but if I remember correctly, it had a lower dBm. Okay. I guess that would be it. Until I will publish this video, I will make a case for it, because why not? We will need a case. But that should be it. Look at it, so small. Wonderful. Okay, thank you very much, guys. I will share also in this video at the end the case, so the last version, most probably now. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. If you are not yet a subscriber, like, share, maybe ask questions. I'm always open to answer your questions, as I was until now also. So thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Cheers.